Hello Internet Video Viewing World, and welcome back to Extreme PC Reviews. And today we are having a box opening of the Galaxis gaming chassis, and this is the Ares. And on the front of the box there's a picture of the case itself, and down here it says the optimum solution for Intel Core i3, i5, i7 systems, AMD x86 quad-core systems. And if we spin this case around, on the side we see the Intel Core i3, i5, i7, AMD x86. There is one 18 centimeter fan on the side, and less than 39 degrees Celsius thermal standard, and extreme cooling capacity, 3 12 centimeter fans, and the eSATA. And on the back of the box, same thing as the front. And on the side we get the model. It is ARE-001. Says net weight is 7.6 kilograms and gross weight is 8.6 kilograms. The shipping weight on the box itself was 19 pounds. And the case measures in at 530 by 265 by 578 millimeter. And apparently there are two models, the ARE-001-PL and the ARE-001-RD. And let's open this up and have a look at the case. And on the sides and the top there's some of the standard styrofoam. Take these off. Out of the bag. And there is plastic covering the front. Get some of the styrofoam off of me. And on the front top there are two USB ports, reset, power, looks like LED. Two more USB, headphone, microphone jack, eSATA, has a flip down cover to hide the optical drives, some ventilation at the bottom, a big fan on the side, 3 windows. The top there's a fan, and it looks like it's sitting above the inside, and another 120 millimeter fan right here. IO shield plate goes here, 7 ventilated expansion slots, 2 holes for water tubing, wires, or fingers to pass through, more ventilation. A bottom mounted power supply would go here, and more ventilation on the side. And let's open this up. 4 thumb screws, 2 on each side. Comes with installation guide, motherboard speaker, an extra expansion cover, motherboard standoffs, washers, screws, and it has a, looks like a lock. You can secure the case, and all the wires for the front ports. Has HD audio, the fan wires, good length to the fan wires. Wow, I reach all the way around the case. Alright, I'd like to thank you for watching the box opening video of the Galaxis Aries case, and I'll have a more detailed video review to follow. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.